UK police found two suitcases believed to contain human remains. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police in southwestern London city of Bristol are searching for a man who was behaving suspiciously on a local bridge just before the discovery of two suitcases believed to contain human remains. Avon and Somerset police officers arrived to the iconic Clifton Suspension Bridge at around midnight on Wednesday, only 10 minutes after receiving reports of a man behaving strangely. But the man who traveled to the area by taxi was already gone when the police arrived. This is a very disturbing incident and a concern it may have or cause our citizens in the area, Acting Bristol Commander Vic Hayward Millen said. The bridge which links England to Wales has been closed after police were first called to the scene around 11:57 p.m. on Wednesday night and has since been arrested as part of an ongoing investigation into the discovery of the human remains on Clifton Suspension Bridge in Bristol. The 34-year-old was arrested in the Bristol area in the early hours of Saturday, the 13th of July. Armed officers from the Avon and Somerset police detained the man at the Tempermate station. He is stated to be taken back to London for questioning. This comes after two suitcases containing the remains of two other men were left on a bridge on Wednesday, July the 10th. Avon and Somerset Police and the Metropolitan Police work in a joint operation and say extensive inquiries are ongoing. The victims have not yet been formally identified, but both are believed to be adults. One autopsy was deemed inconclusive, while another postmortem examination remains ongoing. The Met Police says that the force are not looking for anyone else in connection with the incident. Deputy Assistant Commissioner Andy Valentine said that this is a significant development in our investigation. We understand the concerns of the local communities in both Bristol and London, and officers will remain in Clifton and Shepherd's Bush areas over the coming days to reassure those affected by the tragic incident. The force says it's continuing to work closely with the colleagues in Avon and Somerset Police Department to establish the facts surrounding this incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.